These are the three most insane street-legal liter bikes you can actually own. Let's get started. Number 3. BMW S1000RR, BMW's first liter-class superbike, launched in 2009. Powered by a 999 cubic centimeter inline-4 with shift cam tech, it cranks out 204 horsepower straight from the factory. Top speed? 300 kilometers per hour, or 186 miles per hour. And in Australia, it'll cost you around 29,000 Australian dollars. Number 2. Ducati Panigale V4 R. This is MotoGP tech on the streets. A 998 cubic centimeter V4 with over 240 horsepower when fitted with the race kit. It screams past 305 kilometers per hour, or 190 miles per hour. And with a price tag over 60,000 Australian dollars, it's exotic and extreme. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja H2. This beast is one of a kind. 998 cubic centimeters. Inline 4 with a factory supercharger. The only one in production. It makes 231 horsepower and hits a blistering 337 kilometers per hour. That's 210 miles per hour. Price? Over 50,000 Australian dollars. But nothing sounds like it. Which one would you take for a spin?